Welcome to How to Play Ranter Go Round. To play, you will need a 52-card deck and 3 or more players. The object of the game is to not be the player with the lowest card at the end of a round. The cards are ranked with the kings being the highest down to the aces being the lowest. The game starts with each player being dealt one card. The player left of the dealer is first to take a turn. Diana will look at her card and decide whether to keep it or exchange it with the player on her left. Diana decides to keep her card as the goal is to avoid a low-ranking card. Play moves to Jess. Jess decides to exchange with Tony. Tony has no say and must exchange the card. The play then moves to Tony, who will also make an exchange. Play moves to Peter, who will make an exchange with Wade. As the dealer, Wade can decide to make an exchange by cutting the remaining deck and taking the top card of the cut deck. The round is over and each player will flip their card face up. Peter ends up with the lowest ranking card. Each player begins the game with 3 lives. When a round is lost, a life is lost. When a player loses all their lives, they are out of the game. The last player in the game wins the game. If the dealer decides to exchange a card and gets a king from the cut deck, the dealer alone loses a life for the round. If 2 or more players tie for the lowest card in a round, the tying players all lose a life. If you enjoyed learning how to play Ranter Go Round and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.